In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up the audio in your video projects using CapCut. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or just starting out, managing audio is crucial to create a polished final product. We'll take you through the process step by step, ensuring you can enhance the sound experience of your videos with ease. First things first, you need to open your project in CapCut. Launch the app and either create a new project or import the video file you want to work on. Once you have your project laid out in front of you, you'll see your video clip nestled comfortably in the timeline at the bottom of your screen. Your next step is to select this video clip. Simply tap or click on it and you'll notice editing options readily accessible, geared up for you to dive into audio enhancements. Next, let's focus on extracting the audio from your video. You'll want to do this to allow for more detailed sound editing. Right-click on the video clip in the timeline, and among the options that appear, select Extract Audio. This action swiftly separates the audio from your video, positioning it as a standalone element in the timeline. It's an essential move when you intend to enhance or clean up the audio without affecting the visual content. Once you have your audio track extracted, make sure to click on it to highlight it. By doing this, all your forthcoming edits will be directed at this isolated audio track, enabling you to clean it up without accidentally altering any other parts of your project. The next feature you'll want to explore is noise reduction, an invaluable tool for reducing unwanted background sounds and elevating the clarity of your main audio content. Look to the right-hand panel where various audio settings are displayed. Here you'll find the option to enable noise reduction, sometimes labeled as reduce noise. Activating this feature helps in cleaning up those pesky background sounds that can sometimes diminish the quality of your audio. You'll then want to adjust the strength of this noise reduction effect. This is done using a slider found in the same area. Moving it left reduces the effect, while sliding it to the right increases it. It's all about balance here. Stronger settings will remove more background noise, but may slightly impact the clarity of any speech or important sounds, so take your time to find the sweet spot. Finally, it's crucial to preview your changes. Play back the segment to ensure the result aligns with your expectations, adjusting further if necessary. Once you're happy with how your video sounds, it's time to hit export. This step saves your project with the newly enhanced audio track, ready to impress your audience with its clarity and quality. There you have it. Following these steps, you can elevate the audio quality of your videos in CapCut. This not only improves the listening experience, but also shows your dedication to producing professional-grade content.